back with another little mini haul, a facial beauty haul of a couple things that I came across this week. I just recently uploaded my little Walmart little walkthrough of the polish, and while I was there I also came across this. I haven't seen this one yet, so it's new to me, but it was on sale for $1. It's the Palmer's coconut oil, I'm trying to get it to focus, body firming sheet mask. And I should have bought all of them because I think this is pretty cool. I haven't personally seen a body firming sheet mask yet. There's 2 in this package, and it targets toning for hips, thighs, and upper arms. Let's see, so the back shows you where you can put it and how to use it. You can put it on your stomach, your upper arms, buttocks, thighs, hips. So I think that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try it out. It has, of course, coconut oil in it. Let's see, how long do you leave it on? You leave on for 10 minutes. You may feel a cool tingly sensation. When you take off the mask, you just rub in the excess and that's it. So each pouch contains 2. Only use in one place the pouch with the extra mask, and a sealed bag to prevent evaporation. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. When I do, you guys know that I will update you. Palmer's is really good, so I'm hoping it works. I'll get another. This I came across at Family Dollar. It's the FREEMAN like beauty product brand, and it's the Gift of Glow. It's a 5-piece mix plus mask kit. I remember seeing this around Christmas and I was going to get it at that time, but luckily I waited because I got it for $2.50, and some of the items are 50% off of the reduced price. It was originally $5, so I got it for, half off of that. It's pretty good. The back tells you what it comes with. It has the rejuvenating cucumber and pink sea salt clay mask, the polishing charcoal and black sugar gel mask plus scrub, the anti-stress Dead Sea Minerals clay mask, and hydrating cactus and cloudberry water gel mask. So that is all in here. And then you have the 10-minute mask over here with the mask applicator, which is pretty cool. So I'm happy about this. I can't wait to use that. I love facials and masks. This one I can't wait to try. It's the FREEMAN cosmetic holographic peel-off mask that I got at Walgreens. I believe I uploaded a video of when I came across these there. So this is the one that I picked up that day. It's luminizing rose quartz. You keep this one on for 10 to 15 minutes, and I guess when you have it on, it's going to have that holographic look on your face, which is pretty cool. So when I use this one, whoa, almost dropped y'all. When I use this one, I will definitely come on and put it on so you guys can see how it looks, and I'll let you know how it feels. So I also picked this up. This was with the mask. It's also FREEMAN. It's the hydrating glacier water plus pink peony gel cream mask. It's a leave-on mask. Instantly calms and softens for glowing skin. Anti-pollution for all skin types. In the back just, tells you about it, how long to leave it on. It's also, most of these masks are 10 to 15 minutes. I don't think none of them are over 20 minutes, but I have not tried this yet, so I will update you guys on all of these masks because I will be trying them. I absolutely love facial masks. So yeah, if you guys have picked up any of this or tried any of their masks, let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to click the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. See y'all in the next video.